When machines break down, productivity stalls. The entire production line comes to a grinding halt, causing a ripple effect of delays and inefficiencies. OEMs lose customer trust, and industrial clients face costly downtime. The frustration is palpable, and the financial impact can be devastating. Traditional aftermarket processes are slow and confusing, too often leading to wrong part orders, longer downtime, and higher costs. Workers are left sifting through endless catalogs, and managers are buried in paperwork trying to make sense of it all. Introducing Vegazva Aftermarket, a digital platform, leveraging digital twin technology to repurpose your CAD collaterals into an intelligent aftermarket platform. Here's how it works. Imagine transforming your static CAD models into dynamic, interactive digital twins that can revolutionize your aftermarket operations. CAD models are transformed into live digital twins. These digital twins are not just visual representations, they are intelligent models that provide real-time data and insights. Clients simply click on the 3D model to select the exact component they need. This intuitive interface eliminates the guesswork and ensures accuracy. No ambiguity, no guesswork, just the correct part every time. This precision reduces downtime and increases operational efficiency. OEMs manage inventory, pricing, and fulfillment seamlessly within the platform. The integrated system provides a comprehensive view of all aftermarket activities, making it easier to manage and optimize. With the Vegazva Aftermarket digital platform, OEMs eliminate ordering errors, industrial clients get the right part every time, and machines are back online faster, saving time, money, and strengthening B2B partnerships. The seamless process fosters trust and reliability between OEMs and their clients. Trusted by leading OEMs and their clients, Vegazva's platform delivers clarity, speed, and trust to the aftermarket. The platform's robust features and user-friendly interface make it a preferred choice for industry leaders. Don't let downtime slow your business. Embrace the future of aftermarket solutions with Vegazva. Transform your aftermarket with Vegazva Aftermarket digital platform and make every order the right one. Visit www.powerofam.com today. Experience the difference that precision and efficiency can make.